Good morning, dear students. As you all know that we have studied some properties of whole numbers in the last class. In today's video, let us continue with further properties of whole numbers and also with some exercise questions. Now, we are already familiar with first two properties of whole numbers. The first one is closure property and the second one is commutative property. Let us now study about the third property, that is associative property of addition and multiplication. So this associative property also holds good for addition and multiplication only. See the example here. Can you see 2 plus 3 plus 4, and the next one is also 2 plus 3 plus 4. In A, you can add 2 plus 3 first. So what is inside the bracket that you should add first? 2 plus 3 is 5, right? Then add the remaining part, that is plus 4. 5 plus 4, the answer is 9. Okay. See the next one. Here also we should apply the same rule. First you have to solve the numbers which are inside the bracket. Okay. So keep 2 as it is. 2 plus, solve what is in the bracket. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. Then 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. Right? So in A above, you can add 2 plus 3 first and then add plus 4 to the sum. And in B, you can add 3 and 4 first, then add 2 to the sum. Are not the results same? Yes, you will get the same answer. So this property is called as associative property. Understood? Even if you change the order of adding the numbers, you will get the results same. So this property is called as associative property of addition. Let us see one more example for this. This is example 1, associative property of addition and multiplication. See the example 2. Let me consider another 3 numbers. Let me take 5 plus 7 plus 3. I'll group these two numbers. Okay. The B should be 5 plus 7 plus 3. These two numbers. Fine. Yeah. Now see. So 5 plus 7. First you should solve what is inside the bracket. 5 plus 7. So 5 plus 7 is 12. Then add plus 3 to the sum. 12 plus 3 is 15. In the same way, 5, write down as it is. Take down what is in the bracket, sum up. Add it. 7 plus 3 is 10. So 5 plus 10 is 15. The results are same. We can consider now 5 plus 7 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 7 plus 3. Both are same. So it is equal. Fine. This property is called as associative property. Did you understand now? Yeah. Let us see one example for multiplication. So these are the example of addition. Okay. Let us see the example for multiplication. Let me consider 3 numbers for this also. 2 into, okay, 3 into 4, and here 2 into 3 bracket into 4. Here also the same rule applies. What is inside the bracket, that you should solve first. So to keep it as it is, 3 4s are 12. So 2 12s are 24, or 12 2s are 24. Again here 2 3s are 6. So 2 3s are 6. Then multiply with 4. 6 4s are 24. This and this results are same. So now you can say that 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to 2 into 3 into 4. So this satisfies the multiplication also. Okay, associative property satisfies the multiplication. So we can say that associative property of multiplication is satisfied because both are same LHS and RHS. LHS means left hand side and RHS means right hand side. So left hand side and right hand side, both you will get the same answer. The result for this is 24 and the result for this also is 24. So both side you got the same answer, hence it satisfies. Let us see one more property, that is distributive property. The next property is distributive property. See here, distributivity of multiplication over addition means this involves both multiplication and addition. Let me consider one example. See, what is the product for 6 into 8? Yes, 6 8s are 48. This sum can also be written as 6 into, by splitting this 8, 5 plus 3 we can do, okay, or 4 plus 4, however we want. So when we do like this, so how to solve this sum? First multiply this 6 with the first number 5. 6 into 5. As there is a plus mark here, write down plus in between. Then multiply this 6 with the next number 6 into 3. Now solve. 6 5s are 30 plus 6 3s are 18. Add now. 30 plus 18 is 48. See the results, 48, and here it is also 48. Now here we are distributing this 8 into two numbers as for our convenience. See, 8 is distributed as 5 plus 3. We can also do it 4 plus 4 or 2 plus 6, however we want. When we do like this, the results are same. So this is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Let us see one more example. So this is example 1. Let me take example 2. So 12 into 35. It is quite tough to multiply like this, right? 12 into 35. In this moment we can split this 35 as per our convenience as 12 into 35 can be distributed as 30 plus 5. Okay, 30 plus 5. What will be the answer? So first you have to multiply 12 into 30, 12 into with the first number. Okay, then plus 12 into 5. 12 into 5. This 12 remains fixed with 30 as well as with 5. First multiply with 30, 12 into 30. Add plus mark is there, so put down the plus mark as it is. Then 12 into 5, the next number. So this method or this way is called as distributive property. This property is called as distributive property. Now you can solve it easily, right? Because you know 12 3s are. Then solving 12 into 35, 12 3s are, you know. So 12 3s are 36. So it becomes 360. Just 0 you should add, right? Then 12 5s are 60. Fine. Now you can add easily. 360 plus 60 is 420. It is easier to solve like this than solving 12 into 35. So this is the last property as per your syllabus, that is distributive property. Let us solve some exercise questions now. So let's begin to solve exercise 2.2. Question number 1. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Just as usual we do the addition the same way. Here we just need to do some rearrangements of these numbers, of these given numbers, to make it simple. Okay, write down the solution. This first question here is 837 plus 208 plus 363. So write down the given. For all the questions you have to write down the given first. Okay, whatever the question is given, write down the same as it is. So given 837 plus 208 plus 363. Just observe these numbers. Okay, observe these numbers and try to find out by what rearrangements can be done to make it simpler. See, if you observe, here it is the unit place 7 and unit place here it is 3. So it becomes easy to add 7 plus 3 as it becomes 10. So you can take as 837 plus 363 plus then add 208 at the last. So if you do the addition, 3 plus 7 is 10, 1 carry, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 3 again 10, 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 8 is 12. It becomes 1200, that is 1200. If you find difficult to do the horizontal addition, you can do the vertical addition. Okay, then plus 208. So now it is very easy to add, right? 1200 plus 208 becomes 1408. See, 8 plus 0 is 8, then 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 2 is 4, 1 remains as it is 1408. Okay, let us see the question number B. See, 1962 plus 453 plus 1538 plus 647. Here also same trick you can use. Check the last digits where you can make 10. See, 2 and here 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. So make these numbers a group, that is 1962. Before this, write down the given. Okay, given 1962 plus 453 plus 1538 plus 647. Then 1962 plus 1538. These two are one group. See here, 3 and 7. So it becomes 10 again. So make them as one group. 453 and 647 plus 453 plus 647. You can add it. 1962 plus 1538 will become 3500 plus 453 plus 647 will become 1100. You can check by adding it vertically. Okay, so 3500 plus 1100. Yes, do the addition. It becomes 4600 is your answer. Fine. Let us move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is find the product by suitable rearrangement. There the first question was find the sum. Here it is product. Product means multiplication. Fine. There is the only difference between question number 1 and second. Question number 1, there we were finding there we were adding. Here you have to find out the product. See, by suitable arrangement. Write down the solution for the first question. 2 into 1768 into 50. First step is write given 2 into 1768 into 50. Fine. Now you have to do the arrangements. So instead of multiplying 2 into 1768, it is easy to multiply 2 into 50. So consider 2 into 50 first and then multiply with 1768. So 2 into 50, 2 times of 50 is 100 into 1768. Now it is easy. So whenever zeros comes, that is very easy to multiply, right? So just 100 into 1768 is 1768 and 2 zeros. These 2 zeros. Okay, the same number with 2 zeros. This is your answer. See the question B. 4 into 166 into 25. So multiply 4 into 25 first. Solution given 4 into 166 into 25. So 4 into 25 into 166. So 4 times 25 is again 100 into 166. So 16600 is your final answer. So let us solve the question number 3. Find the value of the following. A1 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. Can you notice here 297? Here also it is 297. So you can take it as a common as write down the solution. So given 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. Since 297 and 297 is repeated 2 times. Since 297 and 297 is repeated, you can take out it as common number. Okay, 297. 2 times it is repeated. Write down 1 time. Take it as common for both 17 and 3, right? So 17 plus 3. Write it inside the bracket. So first solve what is inside the bracket. 17 plus 3. 17 plus 3 is 20. Then you can multiply now. 297 into 20. So you will get the answer as 5945. You can multiply and check. So answer is 5940. One rule what we have followed here is the number which is repeated 2 times, we have taken it as common and written 1 time. Then the remaining number we have written inside the bracket. And then as usual, addition and multiplication process goes on. Fine. Let's see the question B. The similar type. 54,279 into 92 plus 8 into 54,279. Solution. Write down the given 54,279 into 92 plus 8 into 54,279. Again, can you notice these two numbers are same? So take out it as common 54,279 and write the remaining part inside the bracket 92 plus 8. So the next step will be 54,279. 92 plus 8 is 100. Yes, now see the question number 4. Find the product using suitable properties. As we have studied 4 properties now, we can use any one of them as per our convenience to solve this. Okay, write down the solution. Given 738 into 103. So how can we solve this? Shall we use distributive property? We can distribute 103 as 100 plus 3. Yes, 738, keep it as it is, into 100 plus 3. Fine. Now you can multiply this 738 into 100, then multiply 738 into 3. See, 738 into 100, this is one group, then plus, write down plus in the middle, again the 738 with 3. You should multiply this with both of these numbers. First multiply with 100, then multiply with 3. 738 into 3. So this becomes 73800. Fine, 2 zeros. Plus 738 into 3. 738 into 3 is 2214. When you add both of this, you will get the answer as 76,014. Question B is 854 into 102. Can you try it by yourself? Take down this problem as homework. Let us move on to the question number 5. A taxi driver filled his car petrol with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day, that is Tuesday, he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? So the taxi driver here, he has filled his car on Monday with 40 liters. Okay. The next day, he has filled his car with 50 liters. Okay. Two different quantities, 40 liters and 50 liters. So if the petrol costs rupees 44 per liter, for 1 liter of petrol, the cost is 44. Now you have to find out the cost for overall, that is 40 liters and 50 liters. 40 liters and 50 liters, when you add both, you will get 90 liters. That is totally you have to find out the cost for 90 liters of petrol here. Write down the solution. Yeah, in the solution, write down petrol filled on Monday is equal to 40 liters. This is all the given data. Okay, petrol filled on Monday is equal to 40 liters. In the next line, petrol filled on Tuesday is equal to 50 liters. Now, the total petrol quantity is equal to 40 and 50. 40 plus 50 is equal to 90 liters. Cost per liter for 1 liter is equal to rupees 44. Now we have to find out total money spent, which is equal to 44 into 90. Total 90 liters, no? So into 90. The answer is rupees 3,960. Fine. So the total money spent by the taxi driver is rupees 3,960. Here completes your chapter 2nd. Let us meet with a new chapter in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep safe. Thank you.